Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 11th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. And we're going to start off on the 4-hour time frame because the 4-hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. And ever since it broke structure to the downside, we have been making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Yes, we are at a Fibonacci bounce, but unless we get a break in the lower low, lower high series, there's really nothing stopping this thing from just continuing to make lower lows, lower highs. So I definitely would be bearish still. Going down to the sort of time frames, I mean, unless it goes all the way up and takes out the structure from that 4-hour time frame, I am definitely still looking for sorts. Anything I see to the upside, I am going to look at as potentially being nothing more than an opportunity to go short, unless it goes up and gives us a break of structure. If it goes up and gives us a break of structure to the upside after the break of structure, and then after the pullback that would come after the break of structure, that is where I would start looking for buys. Until then, I am definitely looking for shorts at the end of any pullbacks I see still. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.